Welcome back to the Friedli's channel. Today we are going to be sewing the Luna Bandeau top sewing pattern. In this video, we'll guide you through creating a stylish and comfortable bandeau top that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Begin by pinning the front and back pieces together for both the facings and the outer fabric, ensuring right sides are together. Stitch along the sides with a 1 cm seam allowance, using a small zigzag stitch for stretch fabric. With right sides together, pin the facing panel and outer panel along the bust line. Stitch with a 1 cm allowance, using a zigzag stitch for stretch. Cut elastic to match the length of the bust line seam and stitch it over the seam allowance. Flip the seam allowance and elastic over to the facing and edge stitch over it, leaving a 3 mm allowance. Press with an iron. Finish the hemline of the facings with a serged or zigzag stitch. Flip the facing to the inside of the bandeau top. Line up and pin together the side seams of the facing and the outer panel. Stitch in the ditch over both the side seam on the facing and the outer panel to prevent rolling. Hemming stretch fabric can be done in various ways. One method is to serge the hem, fold it up, and straight stitch. Another option is a beginner's rolled hem, involving folding, stitching close to the edge, cutting excess fabric, folding again, and stitching once more. Press the hem with an iron for a polished finish. And there you have it, your fabulous Luna Bandeau top is complete. Pair it with your favorite bottoms for a chic and trendy look. The link for the pattern is in the description down below. Happy sewing!